Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about OSPF configurations. OSPF configuration is very easy. For that, first we have to enable OSPF on a router. For that you can use the following command, which is router OSPF and the ASN number. Next we can define the networks in our topology. For this you can give network, the network ID and the wildcard mask and the area number. So let's have an example network in our Cisco packet tracer. So we have our Cisco packet tracer here. So let's have 3 routers. So now let's connect them. So now let's configure them. So you can give no, enable, configure terminal, and now you can give the interface name gigabit ethernet 0/0/1. So first you can do 0/0/0, and now you can give an IP address for this. So let's give 10.0.0.1, and you can give the subnet mask. So now you can give no shutdown. So now let's go to router 1, give no, enable, configure terminal, and now you can give the interface name gigabit ethernet 0/0/0, and you can give the IP address and the subnet mask, and you can give no shutdown. So next interface is gigabit ethernet 0/0/1, and you can give the IP address and the subnet mask, and you can give no shutdown. So let's go to the next router. So you can give configure terminal and the interface name gigabit ethernet 0/0/0, and you can give the IP address as 20.0.0.2 and the subnet mask. Now you can give no shutdown. So now let's configure OSPF in all the 3 routers. So first, in router 0 you can give router OSPF1, and you can give the network ID, which is 10.0.0.0, and the wildcard mask, which is 0.255.255.255, and the area number you can give 0. So now let's go to router 1. So you can give exit. Now you can give router OSPF1 network. You have 2 networks here. So first network is 10.0.0.0, and the wildcard mask for this is 0.255.255.255, and the area number you can give 0. and the next network is 20.0.0.0, and we have the same wildcard mask for this also. So, and the area number you can give 0 for this also. So now let's go to router 2. Here too you can do the same, router OSPF and the ASN number. So next is the network. We have one network only here, so which is 20.0.0.0, and the wildcard mask for this is 0.255.255.255, and the area number we can give 0. So now let's go to router 0 and let's give show IP route. Here we have O and we have 20.0.0.0/8. So now let's ping 20.0.0.2, which is the IP address of router 2. So it is reachable. So our OSPF is working. So next, let's try our configuration of areas. Configuration of areas are also simple. In the last command, that is network, the network ID, wildcard mask and the area number, we can change the area numbers so that we can have different areas. So in our Cisco packet tracer, let's have another router and let's connect it also to the router 2. So now let's configure router 3. It's still booting, so let's configure router 2. It is interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1, and you can give the IP address as 30.0.0.1 and the subnet mask and you can give no shutdown, and you can add an extra network in the OSPF. So you can give router OSPF 1 and the network as 30.0.0.0 and the wildcard mask, and you can give the area number as 1 so that we can change the area here. So till here we have area 0 and this interface is area 1. So here also you can have area 1. So first let's configure with the IP address. So interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 and the IP address 30.0.0.2 and the subnet mask, and you can give no shutdown. So next you can give router OSPF 1 and the network. We have only one network, that is 30.0.0.0 and the wildcard mask, and you have to give area 1. So now only router 2's gigabit 0/0/1 and router 3 is in area 1. So let's go to router 0. Here let's give show IP route. Now here we have an extra O and we have IA, which is inter area. So 30.0.0.0 is in another area. So we have done the configuration of OSPF areas also. Thank you.